Well, good morning, Lionhearts. It's your old pal Jordan the Lion. If we're looking at Elvis Presley Boulevard, we're probably going to do one of two things. But it's not the one you think we're going to do, but I think you'll enjoy it. I know, what a weird way to start a vlog, huh? Days with Jordan the Lion begins now. That's right. If we can't stay at Graceland, we'll stay at the guest house at Graceland. Yep, I didn't get to do it last time I was here, so we're gonna do it this time. And if you're wondering, what the heck is the guest house at Graceland? Well, it's this. A full-blown hotel replicating Graceland. And she's all mine. Well, not all of it. I mean, I didn't rent every room in the place, but I did get one room. I did get a king room with a courtyard view. Let's go take a look, shall we? I can't wait to see what the inside of the hotel itself looks like and what the rooms look like. As soon as you start walking in, you can hear the king singing over your head. I just wanna, you almost feel like you should just drop to one knee with the arm up like that. No lions out front like the house, but we'll forgive it. Oh yeah. Wow, take a look. Beautiful. And the gates are open. All right, let's go check in. What a beautiful place, huh? The king would be proud. He would certainly be proud. Well, I can tell you this, the inside of the lobby smells absolutely incredible. Too bad we didn't get to attend this, huh? Look at it. James Burton, Ronnie Tutt. Oh man, what an all-star cast. Look, there we are in the ceiling. Elvis would love this. He would love us doing this. Look what they have him wearing. Nice and stylish. All right, we got our room key, and they said they just opened the bar over here for the first time tonight since the whole virus broke out, so I'll show you at least what the bar area looks like. You gotta check out the class that they put into creating this place. Really looks nice. And we're gonna go outside because I want to show you the outside grounds. They have a pool and all that stuff. Outdoor ping pong. Nice. So if you're so inclined to get some sun in while you're out here taking in Graceland, or the guest house at Graceland, isn't that awesome? What a great concept. Long overdue. We'll just get a little view of the pool over here. Oh yeah, just a regular old pool. Then if you go over here, they have a few little cornhole boards you can throw the bean bags, but I want to check out this Founder's Garden. No idea what it is, but looks like it has the gates of Graceland to the entryway to it. I figure they probably put a lot of care into creating this place. We should take in every little piece of it. I do see a few records down here. Let's see what the names are. Nice. Looks like they're just normal people like you and I. I mean, I don't see any famous names or anything. That's a cool one. They even put the TCB in there. All right, let's go back in, work our way through the hotel and see our room. I have no idea what it's gonna look like. I'm as excited as you. So tomorrow I am going to Graceland, and they say it's at 25% capacity, so they've been kind of bragging in different billboards I've seen driving around. See Graceland the way you've never seen it. Empty. Oh, nice. I highly approve of the art on these walls. Highly approve. So he said, make a right at that sucker. Oh, and they have a theater. Every night they show a different movie, a different Elvis movie. So I'll show you that real quick before we go upstairs. I gotta get a new one of these. Gotta get a good one while I'm here. Oh wow, pure class. pure class. The decorating here was just top notch, isn't that? I believe Priscilla had a heavy hand in a lot of this. Oh, those are E's glasses. We'll go check those out. Don't worry. We're not gonna miss that. Now what's cool is if you notice in every one of these, they had a little bit of glitter added to the art somehow, or sequins. And here, they've got it in the frame of the glasses. You can kind of see, but then also down here. Oh, let's go inside the Grand Ballroom A. Fun fact, Elvis recorded 15 songs with the word blue in the title. It's a really cool fixture. Hopefully they left this unlocked. I did get inside the ballroom, but the lights were off and you had to have a username and password to turn them on. That's a great piece of art, isn't it? Don't worry, I'm not giving up. I'll go see if I can find somebody while we're out and about to turn the lights on. I do want to see what that looks like. Let's go find the theater. Oh yeah, Elvis's guitar pick. He always used those triangles. Okay, here's the theater. Let's see. Monday they were doing Viva Las Vegas. Tuesday was Love Me Tender. Today is Wednesday, so they're doing That's the Way It Is. Awesome. And tomorrow is Aloha from Hawaii. Nice lineup. I really want to give you guys the full experience in case you never get here or in case you're thinking of staying here. All right, let's go on in. They better have done it really, really well because this is Elvis, baby. It's got to be impressive. You're watching an Elvis movie with Elvis fans? It's got to be good. Nice. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. I think they hold some of the Elvis Week events here as well. Alright, check out the killer job they did on the rugs and stuff too. Very Elvis. I dig it. Oh, and they've got the tail of the Lisa Marie up here. Another nice little touch for the artwork. Okay, I did check to make sure nobody was in the public bathroom. I wanted to show you what the men's room was like, because it's kind of cool. Look at that. Nice, just everything is done with a touch of class. Everything. Okay, let's go find my room. I keep saying that, but I mean it this time. No, I mean it. I really do. I mean it. Okay, there's our elevators. Nice. Nice. Alright, that's us, center tower. Nothing too awful fancy in the elevator. Okay, as soon as we get out of the elevator. Nice. And as we walk out of the elevator, look, you can see the whole pool area. Dirty windows, but look at this. I couldn't show you this from the angle I had before. That's kind of cool. Okay, that's 431, we're 434. Look at that light fixture. Holy cow. EP is right, baby. EP is right. All right, I'm guessing we're down here since the one next to it was 429. You think I can just take that light fixture home with me? I really need that. Here's our room right here. All right, key card, do your magic. Well, my boy, this is awesome. I just went around and turned every single light on in this place so we can see it in all its glory. Wow. Huge fan. Look at that chair over there. See what our view is here. Oh, nice. Right out to the pool. Then take a look around. They even have Elvis on the TV. All the Elvis you can want, but not all the Elvis you can handle. That is perfect. You think I'm not gonna enjoy having that right up there? That is just too classic. And then what a great mirror. And let's go check out the bathroom. Even comes with a little closet here. Probably won't need that. Well, then again, never know. I was looking to see if they would put some complimentary robes in there or anything. Sometimes places do, so I wanted to see if there was a Graceland robe. Nice. Nice. Wow. That shower is stellar. Woo! I am a man that can appreciate a fine shower, and this is going to be one of them. Oh yeah, you got a shower head up here, you got one right there. This is going to be great. Nice. And then you get to stare at that while you're in the final position, I guess you could say. Pretty good room. It's not the ideal place I want to have my last read, but probably wouldn't be the worst ever either. And of course, when you stay here, everything is theirs. Everything is guest house of Graceland. And I just love this. The please do not disturb sign, because you're taking care of business. All right, I'm gonna go back downstairs and wander around a little bit and see if there's anyone that will turn on the lights for the ballroom for us so we can see what it's like. I'm a really big fan of this end table right here. That is really cool. That's got some style to it, doesn't it? Nice. We should write a note on the stationery, don't you think? There's gotta be something we can say. Simple and honest. There we go. Let's take a look at what the restaurant in here is like, or at least what it looks like. Nice. I like the way they did that. As I was walking around, I realized they have a lot of restaurants in here I didn't know about. Too bad EP's Bar and Grill's closed. Most of the restaurants in here are closed, actually. What do we got here? Oh yeah, that's one of the walls. The game room. So I just wandered over and found this side entrance, and look at what I found when I looked over. I couldn't believe I didn't know about this. How cool is this? Holy smoke. That is amazing. I can't believe I didn't know they had done this. I'm glad I kept walking around. I thought we had seen pretty close to everything, but we had not. Let's go. This is really neat. Is there anything in there? Just rooms. Nice. Alright, so they're gonna have someone turn the lights on in the ballroom for us. Alright, I did go ask someone to turn the lights on and they did come and try to, but nobody seems to know the passcode. They think the sales department has it. So let's go check out the chapel in the woods. Okay, so as you can see, here's Graceland's Chapel in the Woods. It does say private founders and guests only, but I'm a guest, so I can go. But they did say that the chapel is owned by Graceland, so it won't be unlocked, so I won't be able to get in. I'll just be able to look at it. Guess in case I ever want to get married here, right? Psst. Here it is. Wow, that's a beauty. That is amazing. Take a look at that. Might be able to see through the glass though. Wow, take a look at that. Talk about a perfect place for a wedding. Okay, count me in. Yeah, that is really, really nice. Well done, Graceland. Well, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this vlog from the guest house at Graceland. We'll see you all next time from the house itself. Graceland, home of Elvis Presley. Have a great night, everyone. We'll see you all next time. Goodbye.